In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Google form in WhatsApp. We'll walk through the full process, from creating your form to sharing it with your contacts, so you can easily collect responses from friends, customers, classmates, or team members right inside WhatsApp. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to log in. Once you're in Google Forms, you can either start from a blank form or choose one of the templates if you see something that fits what you need, like a contact form, event registration, or feedback form. Give your form a clear title so people know what it's about at a glance. Then, add a short description explaining what the form is for and how their answers will be used. This helps build trust and encourages more complete responses. After that, start adding your questions. You can choose different types of questions, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers, or drop-downs. Take a moment to think about what information you really need so your form stays short and easy to complete. When you're done setting up your questions, it's a good idea to preview the form. Click the preview icon at the top to see exactly what your participants will see. Check that all questions are clear, required questions are set correctly, and there are no typos. If something looks off, just go back and edit. Once your form looks good, you're ready to get the link that you'll send through WhatsApp. At the top right of the screen, click the Send button. A window will pop up with different options. Choose the link icon to generate a shareable link. You'll see a long web address, and just below it, there's usually an option to shorten the URL. It's often helpful to click that so your link looks cleaner and is easier to share. Then, copy the link. Now open WhatsApp on your phone or computer. Go to the chat or group where you want to send the form. In the message box, paste the link you just copied. Before sending, you might want to add a short message explaining what the form is for and how long it will take to fill out. Like, please fill out this quick form so we can collect your preferences. When you're ready, tap Send. That's it. Your Google form is now shared through WhatsApp, and anyone who taps the link will be able to open it, answer your questions, and submit their responses.